Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo right behind me. This is a photo from Governor Chris Sununu's news conference that he had today around 3 p.m. 14 COVID-19 surge hospitals ready to go, Sununu says. New guidelines announced for grocery stores. New Hampshire has established 14 surge hospitals across the state to be used if hospitals become overwhelmed because of the COVID-19 crisis. Governor Chris Sununu said the facilities have been set up but won't be activated unless needed. The surge hospitals bring the state's capacity to about 5,000 beds, he said. The surge hospitals are set up in Berlin, Colebrook, Concord, Conway, Derry, Durham, Haverhill, Keene, Lancaster, Littleton, Manchester, Nashua, Plymouth, and Wolfboro. They were built with the help of the National Guard and funded with state and local dollars. The goal is at the close of business day today, we'll finish our 14th site up in Colebrook, said Major General David Malatis, Adjutant General of the New Hampshire National Guard. Once that's complete, the goal and intent is to lock the door and close it. But if need be, we can turn that on and have that surge capacity available. Sununu said it's not clear yet how long the COVID-19 peak could last, but it will hit first in New York and Boston. Their surge is estimated at, let's say, the third week in April, he said. Ours is more estimated at the very end of April, first week of May, about 10 days after that. Now, how long that crease lasts, it's not just a single point and starts to go down. Unfortunately, that crease could be weeks. Sununu said the state's federal disaster declaration has been approved, freeing up federal funds for New Hampshire. The governor also reissued his own state of emergency declaration, something he's required to do every 21 days for as long as the emergency lasts. The state is also making its first emergency hospital loan. Lakes Region General Hospital will get a $5.25 million zero-interest loan to ensure it remains open in the pandemic. Because of this loan, LRGC will only have to temporarily furlough some of its workers, about 40% in total, but will still be able to keep their benefits and access the state's expanded unemployment program benefits. Sununu said, while we can't avoid all furloughs across the state, these grants will ensure that no doors are permanently closed. The governor also announced new guidelines for grocery stores. He's encouraging stores to reduce capacity and marked aisles to encourage social distancing. Some aisles could become one-way, and plexiglass shields will be installed where possible to help protect clerks. He said the New Hampshire Groceries Association is opening an emergency operations center to help support stores throughout the crisis. Some states have advised people to wear face masks when going to grocery stores or undertaking other essential tasks in public. Sununu said he wasn't ready to make a similar recommendation. I think we'll look at what the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention puts out, if it's today or tomorrow, and see if that recommendation aligns with where we see ourselves in the process and the impact in terms of public health, he said. Sununu said it's crucial for Granite Staters to continue taking precautions to try to slow the spread of the coronavirus, which has been linked to 5 deaths and 73 hospitalizations in New Hampshire. The state's parks will remain open to allow people to get outside, but Sununu urged people to avoid crowds and explore hiking trails and other outdoor places in their own communities. The state is encouraging people to share photos online with the hashtag Home Hike Challenge. Sununu said if the parks become too crowded, the state would consider closing them. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening. Thank you for watching. I'll see you back here tomorrow with another news report. Good night and bye, everyone.